Can you believe that I made this commercial using AI, and I'm going to teach you how to do so using some free AI tools? Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment. We are going to be using Char GTP, Leonardo AI, Pika Labs, Music Gen, and Flicky AI.
Welcome to a world of flavor, where every spoonful is a journey of delight. Introducing Yogi's Yogurt. Made with the finest ingredients and crafted with care, Yogi's Yogurt is more than just a snack, it's a moment of pure indulgence. Creamy, dreamy, and oh so irresistible. With each spoon.
So go to ChatGTP and ask it to generate a script for your commercial. I'm going to ask ChatGTP to generate or write a script for yogurt commercial for me, and it has just done so. The next thing is I'm going to ask it to also generate a script for my images for me. So I'm going to do that, and it's going to generate all the description for my images. After it has done that, I will take this description one after the other to Leonardo AI, which is a free text to image tool that lets you generate images using text for free. The first thing you need to do is go to Leonardo, register with your Gmail, then copy all the description of your image from GTP and allow it to generate it for you. So I've copied the first description, and Leonardo AI is going to generate my first image for me. Okay, so once it's done generating this image, do not forget to click on this arrow, drop down arrow, so that you can download your image. Do not forget, these are the images you are going to convert to your commercial video. So next, I'm going to go back to GTP and also copy the next description and let Leonardo AI generate the image for me. Again, do not forget to download your image. I'm just going to download this one, then repeat the process again and again until I'm done with my entire image from ChatGTP script. Okay, I'm going to also wait for it to generate this image. Then I'm going to download it again, and this is also important that you download your image so that you can use it for your commercial video. I'm going to go back to ChatGTP and bring my description again. You can see all the images I've created in Leonardo AI. So I'm going to allow it to generate this image for me. You have to be patient and follow all the process and get all of your images from Leonardo AI. Haven't gotten all your images, the next step is for you to convert these images to video. So you have to go to Google and type in Pika Lab. Pika Lab is a free AI tool that enables you convert image to text. Click on try for free, then register with Google, bring your image that you have downloaded, write your description, then give it to your camera control. Just choose all your camera control, then click on generate. It will now convert your image to video. As you can see, it's happening on the screen right now, and this is really sick. It is really amazing. Now you can see one of the video I showed you at the beginning of this tutorial. Wow, and this is really amazing. Then do not forget to download. Also do the same thing for all of your images. Bring all of your images and convert them to video using this AI tool. I'm just going to do that with this image, then I'll bring in the next image and all my other images that I have generated using Leonardo AI. Okay, so now I'm just going to do that again and again. Like I said earlier, the next step is to go to Music Gen and generate your music for your commercial. I'm going to type in upbeat music and click on generate. Then I'm going to wait for it to generate my music. Then I'm going to also click on the download button and download my music. And having done that, I'm going to go to Flicky AI and click on start for free. Flicky AI will help me generate the audio for my commercial. Then I'm going to bring the script, click on new file first, then click on audio, name my audio, then go to ChatGTP and bring the script for my audio. Once I'm done doing that, click on submit. It will now go ahead and process and then generate my audio. You can now click on the download button, then click on start exports and wait for it to process your audio. Once it's done processing your audio, just click on download file, and now you have downloaded the audio for your commercial. Then the next thing I'll need you to do is go to
App
any
of your
video
choice
editing and bring together all of the video you generated using Picker Lab. I'm just going to pick all of the image video Picker Lab generated for me. Once I'm done, I'm going to click on it and see and view it. So the next step is that there is watermark from Picalab on these videos, and I do not like it because I want it to look professional. I'm going to go to text and write the name of my, let's say, company. In this instance, I'm just going to be writing the name of my YouTube channel. I'm just going to click on text, then write the name of my YouTube channel. Once I'm done writing it, I'm going to place it on top of the watermark that is at the bottom right hand corner. I'm going to place it so that the watermark does not show. Instead, it will have the name of your company, or in this case, the name of my YouTube channel. Okay, so the next thing is to make sure that this watermark covers the entire length of the video. I'm going to go back to text. Okay, I'm going to go back to text and elongate it to cover the entire length of the video commercial. So you can see now the watermarks is no longer showing. What you have there is going to be the name of your company, or in this case, the name of my YouTube channel. The next thing is I'm going to go to music and bring the audio I generated from Flicky AI. Then next, I'm also going to return back to my music and get the music I generated from Music Gen. So I haven't done that. I'm just going to reduce the volume of my music because I want my audio to be audible and just the music to play in the background. Once I'm done, I'm going to click on finish, but I'm going to first listen to my audio before I exit the app. So you can see now my audio is playing and I like it. Once it's done playing, I'm going to click on save and I'm going to start my video. And once it's 100%, I'm going to just share it with anybody I want to share it with. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.